Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have not posted a video and I think it's been almost a month. It's just such a crazy time of year with summer almost over. The kids are back in school. We traveled out of the country for a wedding and then we have family visiting from out of country. So it's just been jam-packed. We are trying to squeeze in some last minute summer trips. So I just have not been posting, but I wanted to come on here and share with you some of my favorite travel sets from Dior Beauty. And I also have a very exciting new bag unboxing. And I think I have not unboxed this brand on my channel before. I definitely have featured items from this brand, but it's a contemporary brand. It's just such a hot trending item. And when I saw it, I just fell in love and I had to have it. And I am very excited to add this to my collection. And also, spoiler alert, I do have a updated bag collection video on the way. There have been some major changes in my bag collection. If you watched my last video, I think it was about an hour and 40 minutes long. Major upheaval in my collection, but I am really excited to add this new bag, which I will show you very soon. Thank you so much, Dior Beauty, for partnering with me on this video. This is not a sponsored video, but Dior Beauty did send me some of these items, and everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, so you can go ahead and click to shop. And again, make sure you sign up for the Dior My Exclusive loyalty program so you can get these complimentary gifts, and log into your Dior Beauty account before you use the promo code. I have some great Dior Beauty travel sets that I have been using these past couple months. If you have a trip or any kind of an event coming up, I always recommend grabbing one of these Dior Beauty travel sets. These are such great value sets because in addition to the beauty and skincare items or fragrance, you also get these really adorable travel pouches, which I use to organize my stuff within a larger bag or like a travel bag. Dior offers complimentary shipping and samples with every order, and if your order is over $100, you get a choice of a deluxe travel sample in this really cute little reusable pouch. I usually go with a deluxe fragrance mini, which is just a miniature version of their full size. That is the Amber Nuit fragrance mini, and here is a miniature of the J'adore L'Or, one of their newest flankers of their J'adore. I also like to pick out, if they have this available, the tiny mini Dior lip maximizer. It's so cute, and this fits in any tiny little purse. So you get your choice of any deluxe mini with your order over $100. And these also stack with any additional promo code. I'm always posting whatever the current newest Dior Beauty promo code. I post to my Instagram stories and here on my YouTube community tab. So make sure you follow me on both. It's at A Heated Mess. Anytime there's like a deal or promo code or gift with purchase, I always post on there. And I have a new exclusive offer for you guys. From now until September 30, with any $130 Dior Beauty order, you will get a complimentary gift if you use the code MAGICQ3 at checkout. If you click the link in the description below, you have to log into your Dior Beauty account first, then add the items that you want to your cart, and then use the code MAGICQ3 at checkout for the gifts to show up in your cart. It doesn't cost anything to create a Dior Beauty account, and once you do, you can join the Dior My Exclusive reward program, and that's where your points accumulate and you get tons of free gifts. I always share whenever there's a new platinum gift. There's different tiers, and I'm, platinum tier, so I got the newest birthday gift, which I am also very excited to show you, and also the new platinum welcome gifts. So I'll show you some of the new Dior Beauty My Exclusive reward platinum gifts. If you're trying to reach that platinum tier status to get all these gifts, these are some great recommendations. They're travel sets, starting with the Summer Travel Trio with pouch. I thought this pouch is so cute. I love that it's a little drawstring at the top. And if you want to hack this into a crossbody bag, you can definitely clip a strap onto the drawstring here or into the little O-rings. But I like to use this to just organize, all the tiny stuff in my bag. Actually, I have been using this little travel pouch to hold my camera because I can slide it in and out, and then I can throw in my other like batteries and memory cards and stuff in here. But that is the little pouch. And so this pouch is free in addition to the 3 items that come with it. So the trio comes with the Dior Le Balm hand cream. I've shown this before, but I think I've gone through a couple of these. I love that it has the Dior oblique pattern on there. The top flips up and it doesn't twist off, it just has a hinge, this way it doesn't get lost. And then you just squeeze it out and it is nice and mess free. But I love this hand cream. I've gone through a couple and I just kind of keep it in my purse and my travel bags. You also get the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil and the Dior Addict Lip Glow Balm. I always keep at least one of these in my purse. They don't have any pigment on them, but it's just very hydrating and nourishing. So I like to top off the lip balm with the lip glow oil. It's just very hydrating, and I love that it has a really big doe foot applicator. Next is the Natural Glow makeup set. This retails for $73, and I love that this comes with the blue denim pouch. This was initially a gift with purchase, and then it sold out and everyone was so sad because I posted when it was available, but the gift went away really fast. So I'm glad that they made this into a little travel set. So you can just buy this, you get this little travel bag, and then it comes with 3 products. Again, you get the Dior Addict Lip Glow Balm, and again, that is the balm stick. You also get a full-size mascara and a mini Dior Show Maximizer 4D Lash Primer Serum. But I really love this set primarily for the blue denim pouch. It has a little Dior star charm on there, and it's really roomy inside, so you can fit in all of the products with this. You can also fit in the ones from the other set, since I use that white pouch for my camera. But everything fits in here, and you have plenty of space for more. So this set is $73. This next set is really cool because I think it's a completely new collection to their like body care, but it is the Dior Solar set. So it comes with 3 full-size products from their new Solar collection, starting with the After Sun Balm. This is described as an ultra fresh after sun balm, intense hydration, sublime glow for face and body. And that's what it looks like. It's almost like a lotion, but I love the scent of this. It smells like kind of like the Dior Riviera. It's a very fresh, sunny, like tropical scent. I would probably use this more like just like a lotion, I think. And then we have the Self Tanner Gel. This is described as self-tanning gel, gradual sublime glow for the face. So don't be alarmed by the word self-tanning. It's not like a super dark color. Just really gives you a nice glow. And again, it smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good and tropical. And I think this one is my favorite. This is the Sublimating Oil. You can see how just shiny and glistening this is. It's settled a little bit, but then if you shake it up, you can see how radiant this will make your skin. So it's, again, a nice oil. Just put some on here so you can see. That's what it looks like. It definitely is not as glittery as it looks in the bottle. It just kind of rubs down to a nice shimmery oil. And again, it smells very summery. The Dior Solar set comes with a different pouch, and I think they changed it recently because when I got my set, it came with the same white pouch as the first set that I just showed, but now they're showing it with a white version of this kind of like a rectangular pouch, which I think is much nicer. So you get this with the Solar set, you get the blue denim pouch with the Natural Glow makeup set, and then this white drawstring pouch with the Summer Travel Trio. Now for the Dior Loyalty Program gifts, I'm pretty sure I showed the book tote. This is the Dior Around the World little travel tote. I love this. I own the actual Dior book totes in multiple sizes, but I used this on a trip recently and it's so nice. It's so easy to pack. It's super flat and it was just perfect. I brought it to the beach. I love this. I love the design. And then I don't know if I showed this in a separate video, but I did an unboxing reel of this Dior Loyalty Platinum gift. And I forget whether it's platinum or silver tier. You know, there's different gifts for different quarters. I think they change it around every so often also, but isn't this so pretty? It's the same Dior Around the World design. So it's a nice little switch up from the oblique pattern or the Riviera. But look, it has little animals on the back. There's a giraffe. Cool little vanity case. You have a full-size mirror at the top. And then the gift also comes with 2 Dior Beauty towels, which I just think is so cool. It also comes with a full size of the Dior Hyla Shot. And it also came with the full-size Dior Capture Total Hyla Shot Wrinkle Corrector. I just love their complimentary welcome gifts. And then I also got their newest platinum birthday gift. So it came in this box, and on the wrapper, it's described as a exclusive office set. Here is the little set, and again, it's the Dior Around the World design. It opens up like a book, and then it comes with the little booklet. You get a notebook. So you get the notebook with the same design, and it's just unlined pages with the Dior on the bottom. And then at the top here, you have a set of Dior pencils. Isn't that just the cutest little stationery set? I just think it's so cool. So this was their birthday gift, and the birthday gift changes. I think it's every quarter is a birthday gift. So this was the birthday gift for August. So that is the current Dior Platinum birthday gift to go with the Dior Platinum welcome gift. Okay, and as promised, I have a brand new bag that I wanted to unbox and share with you guys. Again, I have a completely updated bag collection video on the way because it has been a huge overhaul with my collection. I basically got rid of a ton of bags and counting, like I'm still not done. So the bag collection video is on the way. I got rid of a lot of basically the very logo heavy and very large tote bags. I think just the way my life is going these days, just where I am at life, I really didn't want such huge branded, I didn't want huge bags and I didn't want them with huge logos on them. So when I saw this, I just had to have it. I love the color, I love the design, and I just think it's so practical and just so beautiful and classic. But anyway, long story short, this is the brand new bag from Coach. It is the Empire Carryall 40 in the color Merlot. And I love that this color has this burnished edging here where it looks black and it kind of fades. It's this really pretty gradient. Solid leather. It doesn't have any pockets on either side, but it zips closed. It is so pretty. When I saw this, I had to have it. It's nice and soft. It's structured, but it's not stiff. I just think it's so beautiful. I think this would be a beautiful everyday tote. It would be a great travel bag. It has a crossbody strap. I just love this. And I love that the Merlot color has the lighter, what is this, pumpkin like interior. It just has one snap pocket inside and that's it. You don't have tons of little organizers. There's no divider in the middle, but it has a zip closure. And I just think it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I just got this today and I had to add it to this video to show you guys. Luckily, I have my Dior pouches. So it's very easy to keep this organized with the little travel bag. So that's what I will be doing with my new Coach Empire Carryall. I love this bag. It is so stunning in person. It has just, you know, their Coach in gold in the front, but if you don't want that logo, you can just turn it around. I still have the tag on here. By the way, this bag retails for $6.95. I posted it to my community tab and my Instagram stories when this dropped in this new size. This is the larger size that's readily available. It also comes in the 48, which is even bigger, but that was very limited. It was like a runway piece and they didn't produce a lot. It also comes in the 35 and then a smaller, I believe 26. Colors are either this Merlot with the burnished edging or navy with this burnished edge also. And then the other solid colors are black, tan, and maple, like a dark brown. But oh, I just love this color. I think this is such a great addition to my bag collection since my collection has pretty much been cut in half, which I'll show you very soon. But that is my new bag from Coach, the Empire Carryall 40, with all of my Dior pouches inside to keep it organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video sharing my favorite new Dior beauty travel sets and my new bag from Coach. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.